This video was created by a script that went into a directory where I had several videos at. It took the videos, broke the videos into images, then scanned the images and looked for faces in the images. It was made with a combination of Python, FFmpeg, and of course bash scripting in there to have it all come out. This is Myra's nieces, and I happen to have a directory that had several pictures of the several videos of the nieces, and it went into the directory and randomly pulled out 6 different videos, and then pulled a 10-second segment from the videos, and then randomly pulled pictures from that 10-second video. Copy them all into a directory, then scan the directory, all the images from the videos, scan them to find faces. It cropped the faces and put them into a directory, and that's what I used to make this video using FFmpeg. So this is a combination of FFmpeg, Python, and bash scripting to get these videos out. Hey, y'all enjoy and have a nice day, and subscribe. You see more stuff like this, and this scripting, a lot of the scripts I wind up putting out either on GitHub, or else I will actually have them on my website, where you'll be able to go and see the script, copy, paste, or download it. I also have Jupiter Jones on GitHub, and I've got a lot of things that wind up on Jupiter Jones too. I use Jupiter Notebook a lot, and if you keep watching, you'll see Jupiter Notebook pop up a lot. Hey, y'all have a nice day, and I appreciate you watching this, and subscribe. There's going to be a lot of different things happen, a lot of different ideas, and scripts come up to make videos and special effects. Y'all have a nice day. Hope I still have pictures coming. Maybe I need to sing a song or something. Oh my God, I don't know a good song, and my voice is pretty bad too. Mara says I sound like a wounded carabao.